Are you struggling to improve your website's ranking and search engine results? In this video, we'll share 6 powerful ways to boost your SEO ranking and drive more organic traffic to your site. 1. Focus on keyword research. Begin by identifying the most relevant keywords for your content. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find keywords that have high search volume and low competition. 1. Create high-quality content. Producing unique, valuable, and engaging content is key. Write informative blog posts, create detailed product descriptions, and include multimedia elements like images and videos to enhance user experience. 1. Optimize your on-page elements. Ensure that your website's title tags, meta descriptions, headings, and URLs include your chosen keywords. This helps search engines understand the context and relevance of your content. 1. Build high-quality backlinks. Seek opportunities to acquire backlinks from reputable websites. Guest posting, collaborating with influencers, and participating in industry forums are effective ways to gain authoritative backlinks that boost your SEO ranking. 1. Improve site speed and mobile friendliness. Users expect fast-loading websites, so optimize your site's speed by compressing images and enabling browser caching. Additionally, ensure your website is responsive and mobile-friendly for seamless user experience across different devices. 1. Monitor and refine your SEO strategy. Utilize tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance. Analyze your traffic, engagement, and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement and adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. Implementing these 6 powerful techniques will help you increase your SEO ranking and drive more organic traffic to your website. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information.